To open an account on Bank of America, start by going to the official website, bankofamerica.com. On your mobile device or desktop, on the home page, you will see a login box on the left side of the screen. Below it, click on the Open an Account option. This will take you to a new page where you can select the type of account you want to open, such as a checking and savings account. Click on the Get Started option, and then scroll down to view the different account options. Choose the account you want to open, and you will be redirected to a new page where you will be asked to enter your zip code. After entering your zip code, you can choose to add a savings account to your Bank of America account or opt for only a checking account. If you have an offer code, enter it. Otherwise, proceed to the application. You will then be required to provide your personal information, including your name, date of birth, address, phone number, and email address. Confirm your email address by re-entering it in the provided box. You will also need to specify whether you are a U.S. citizen and provide details about your employment status and source of income. If you are applying with a co-applicant, be sure to select the corresponding option. Once you have filled out all the necessary information, click Continue to complete the application process. By following these steps, you can successfully create a Bank of America account.